cave?
House! Whoa, cool! Whoa, it's the best vehicle. What's a robin? Door closed. The door closed. Whoa, of the house. Whoa, penguin!
Penguin?
Whoa! What did Santa brought me? This? Is it this?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! A Megamind book!
What?
Look, it's a Megamind book!
A Megamind super book to color.
Yeah.
Tells the whole story.
Look! I put it out 6 there.
Good.
Is that a 6 or a 9?
A 6.
9 upside down.
Hey, Judah.
You say Merry Christmas?
P. But this is 9. 9.
Oh, I think the alphabet might be in there. Yeah.
Merry
Hey, Judah.
What
Did you
other,
see your dinosaur thing?
what other costumes did you get?
Iron Man.
Iron Man and what else? Get up and look over there.
What was this one?
The Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Lightning McQueen.
Wow.
Lightning McQueen. And Buzz Lightyear.
Ah.
Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah. Look at this.
Angry Bird hat.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put it on?
My Angry Bird hat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very funny.
Very funny.
Look, you got some stuff in your stocking. Can someone get that down?
Something in my stocking.
Where is it?
You can step on the mat, it's okay.
No, she didn't want to get in front of the camera.
Whoa! Joker!
Joker?
Yeah! And Penguin!
Oh my goodness, Jude.
Look.
Yes.
Judah, what's that dinosaur thing over there?
Whoa! Look, it's a Santa. Look, it's a Santa Pez.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a Spider-Man puzzle.
Whoa.
Cool.
Is there more in there?
There's some puzzles in
Look at your
there.
stocking, sweetie.
What?
Your stocking.
He brought me some toys.
He did?
Sounds funny. Sounds funny.
What's that?
I don't know.
They're pins, aren't they?
Yeah. What the? This is crazy.
That is a giant pencil.
Yeah, it's a giant one. This is a giant pencil.
Yeah.
It's humongous. That's your stocking.
Whoa!
What is that? Judah, what was that?
A coloring book.
All right.
Mm.
Cool. They brought me a lot of toys.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah.
You must have been extra good.
Yeah, I did.
You did.
Whoa, cool.
Chocolate Santas.
Ooh, I want a chocolate Santa.
Yum, yum, yum. Chocolate Santa. Whoa, cool. It's a very cool one.
Cool, what?
I
Can't see, Nani. I can't see.
Cheese. Cheese.
Judah, what's this dinosaur thing over here?
Which dinosaur thing?
By your Iron Man suit.
What? Look, it's a skeleton.
Whoa. How do you know that Santa's been here? Did he eat the cookies and drink the milk?
Yeah!
All right, he was here for real.
Yeah!
Totally cool.
He ate his cookies!
Whoa.
I bet he liked it too.
Yeah.
He left you
We
a chocolate.
brought him sprinkle ones.
Really?
He doesn't have a cape,
No, he doesn't.
but another one did. The real one did.
You can't wear your cape all the time.
My cape all the time. Whoa. Whoa, my Spider-Man suit.
I want to see, how's that bat cape? That looks pretty cool.
Whoa. It's a incredible suit.
The Incredibles.
Yeah.
How do you make the, Mommy, let me do the bat light again.
Oh, look at this.
You drive the camera for a while?
Huh?
So you can.
I want it. Oh. It lights up.
Ooh, it lights up.
Here, you want to pull this out so we can look at it? We'll open some of your toys.
Whoa, it's Batman. He holds this. Very, very cool.
Very, very cool.
And this is pink one. Pink one and Robin. Yeah. Batman and Robin. Robin doesn't come with him. It's chocolate Santa.
Chocolate Santas.
Yum, yum.
Oh, bless you.
Bless
See all the cool stuff in the Bat Cave?
Yeah, that's cool.
This makes that move, and this makes that turn. And let's see. You
That-
tutor.
That's a cage for the bad guys.
This makes that close. Here. Bless you.
Bless you.
Here, Roseanne. Can you give me those scissors out of the kitchen?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, why does that fall off? That's the cage for the bad guys. That's the cage for the bad guys. That's the cage for the bad guys.
It is.
Yeah.
You want to put this on, Judah?
Yeah. Spider-Man suit.
Yeah.
With my pajamas. Whoa, it's got the Spider-Man mask.
Oh, yeah, that's the cool part.
This part, and I got another
Here,
one.
look. Isn't that funny?
Don't forget to get out of his car. Joker has to get out of his car.
Here, bring him over here. Let me try.
All right, Judah, come here.
What?
Step in.
You want to stop? Let's stop it now and do it more when he opens the presents.
fine.
How do you stop it?
Yeah. Oh, there's a little red button right there.